We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Loomzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Loomzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the Loomzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Loomzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Loomzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected, even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Loomzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Loomzag's main mission. When Loomzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by Loomzag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. Loomzag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. Loomzag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. Loomzag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure. And it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.
The toothbrush has evolved a lot over the years, from simple sticks with bristles, to sticks with animal hair, to plastic sticks with nylon brushes, to electric sticks with vibrating nylon brushes.
I'm Dr. Brett Bellingham, and I would like to introduce you to the next step in the evolution of the toothbrush, the Easy Teeth Brush. The Easy Teeth Brush is a multifunctional toothbrush that has the ability to act as a traditional electric toothbrush or as a full-mouth teeth brush. The Easy Teeth Brush was expertly designed by our team of dentists and engineers to put bristles at just the right angle and location to clean your full mouth in just 30 seconds. In my experience, there are 3 types of patients that struggle to properly brush: children, people with limited dexterity, and finally, people like you and me, who are just in a hurry.
The Easy Teeth Brush will help you brush smarter, not harder. Our patented teeth brush head will help you avoid incorrect and overbrushing that leads to receding gum lines and sensitive teeth.
We've been designing and refining the Easy Teeth Brush for over a decade, and that's because we're passionate about taking care of your teeth.
We believe in thinking outside of the box and challenging the old way of doing things. We do this by delivering beautiful and innovative products that improve the quality of your life.
Our commitment is to provide you with the best experience. With your support and feedback, you will be a part of this movement.
Click the Back It button now so you can brush smarter, not harder.
a long week of work, you want to go out. We get it. Going out with your friends is fun. Waking up feeling like this isn't. What if you could have all the fun you want and wake up feeling great every morning? Now you can with BB Beverages. BB is a complete line of alcohol detox drinks that prevents hangovers, relieves hangovers, and reduces redness. When you drink, your liver breaks down alcohol into a toxin called acetaldehyde. This toxin causes hangovers. DHM, which is found in the oriental raisin tree plant, helps you break down acetaldehyde faster so your body can flush it out. DHM is the main ingredient in Nightcap, the most compact and effective hangover prevention drink on the planet. Nightcap has more active ingredients than any other hangover drink. Nightcap also contains milk thistle, which flushes toxins from your liver. Vitamins B6 and B12 ensure you wake up feeling energized. Magnesium improves sleep. So what if you forgot to take Nightcap and already have a terrible hangover? Meet Morning After, the first drink designed to relieve hangovers. Most people don't plan to be hungover. It just happens. And when it does, Morning After is there to save your butt. Morning After contains activated charcoal, which absorbs toxins from your body. 5-HTP improves your mood. Ginger extract relieves nausea. B6 and B12 vitamins boost your energy so you can wake up and crush. Do you turn red and feel hot when you drink? Lighten Up is the drink for you. People who flush red metabolize alcohol too quickly, causing a buildup of acetaldehyde, which causes redness, increased heart rate, hot flashes, and headaches. Lighten Up uses the same awesome ingredients to prevent these effects. BB is a complete line of alcohol detox drinks that has you covered for any drinking occasion, sunset to sunrise.
Hi, I'm Jen, the founder of BB Beverages. 3 years ago, I completed a successful Indiegogo campaign to launch my first product before Elixir. I got my product into over 150 stores and learned a lot about my customers. I began working with JW Nutritionals, one of the best supplement manufacturers in the country, to create the most compact and effective alcohol aids on the market, and the first ever drink designed to relieve hangovers.
This is Lane, the head of research and development at JW Nutritional. He has a degree in biochemistry, has worked in the supplement space for over 6 years, and helped hundreds of companies develop their products. He knows a little about science.
I consulted BB Beverages in the development of Nightcap, Morning After, and Lighten Up, and am confident the ingredients in these drinks help the liver and the body remove toxins created by consuming alcohol.
To bring these 3 products to market, I need your help. I'm a sole founder. I'm not backed by big fancy corporations or tons of funding like the other guys. So join me in launching Nightcap, Morning After, and Lighten Up by ordering a case today. I promise your liver, your body, and your mornings will be glad you did.
Hi, this is Edu and Ray, and these are Barner, the ultimate computer glasses. Edu and Ray used to work in fancy offices. And what happens in fancy offices nowadays? They are full of screens, or how we call them, eye killers. Edu, Ray, and their colleagues were sitting in front of these eye killers for a lot of hours every day. Strained eyes, headaches, and also problems falling asleep were some of the symptoms suffered from looking at these eye killers. They were looking for a cure to reduce all these symptoms, using eye drops, those yellowish computer apps, looking at the horizon for 10 minutes every hour and blinking their eyes, even orange tint glasses, but none of them were good solutions. This is why we created Barner, the ultimate computer glasses. Your eyes will not only feel more rested, you will improve focus and comfort in the office, sleep better, and enhance your well-being while looking cool wherever you go. Last year, we launched our first Kickstarter campaign, and thanks to the support of hundreds of backers from 62 different countries, we raised over $130,000. We received amazing feedback and reviews from all of you, and thanks to Kickstarter, we were born as a company. This is why we are back on Kickstarter to share our latest product with you before anyone else. After long months of research and thanks to your feedback, we are back with a new version of Barner that we are convinced you will fall in love with. You are asking for a more affordable product with the same great quality and design that can adapt to anyone's face. You wanted it to be super comfortable using the latest technology of blue light blocking lenses. And this is what we are doing now. To make it more affordable, we exchanged the acetate frame material with a new super light polycarbonate frame that only weighs 0.80 ounces. We added a rubberized texture on the frame for a better grip on your nose and ears. Our new flexi hinges and temples will adapt to any size face. You will find something to fit you in our range. The latest technology in blue light blocking lenses won't allow these eye killers to burn your eyes. Look at this. Amazing, huh? How is that possible? We block 40% of the harmful spectrum and 100% of the blue light at 410 nm. You will be protected in any situation. It goes without saying, we've built stylish and colorful eyewear that allows you to stay ahead of the pack in your office. It doesn't matter if you've never worn glasses, Barner is for everyone. Actually, 80% of our clients have not used glasses before. Our mission is to protect everyone's eyes. We've worked hard to maintain our lens quality and cool, trendy design whilst creating a more affordable product. Oops, we almost forgot. Once you've finished working with your laptop, you just need to attach the clip onto your Barners and transform them into the coolest sunglasses. Barner 2.0 is ready for production. If you spend long hours in front of digital devices, back Barner, the ultimate computer glasses, and start feeling great.